Kemri ne jochiwo kanyo mwandugo mago mabende idendo ni PPEs mago ma itiyo godo e ritruok ewi tuoche mago mabende landore e kinda oganda. Mwandugi ne ochiwe tong' mano ma Malaba kaachiel kod Kochalia Sub-County Hospital mano mar bero ikruok ne chenrogo mago mag kedo kod tuono mano makocha mar Ebola. Oganda mago mabende odak e tong' mano ma Malaba kono okwa mar mondo gitem gibed motang' kendo gibed akicha ka girito kanyo odiochieng' mano mabende ibiro landi ni tuo maket koda mano sani to koro oseromo chuth. Magitimore sechego mago mabende piny mano mar DRC to nyaka gi sani to kedo kod tuo makoch maro mar Ebola.
Here in Malaba, we clear 1,500 to 2,000 people who pass through the border. We have around 800 international travelers in a day and around 700 the local travelers. And therefore, out of this, we all screen them. And so far, we've just had one suspected case since we began. That was in the month of, beginning of this month, beginning of last month of June. But so far, we've not had any suspect. And therefore, since then, Kemri, the Director General, visited us and other partners, and they promised us a number of items. And today we are really happy that they have kept their promise. We have received the tent, we have received the PPEs.
We have brought full PPE, that is protectional equipment for correction of sample and testing. And for this site at Malaba Port Health, we are supporting them with tents, some protective masks, and also thermogun to enhance the issue of screening and the temperature monitoring of the people who are entering our country.
By ensuring that whoever comes to the country is properly screened and that we protect our healthcare workers, especially at this point, so that whenever they come in contact with the people who are suspected to be having Ebola, they are in properly PPE or preventive suits.